Hello and welcome to Skill Lab, a place where knowledge is shared. In this video, we will walk through the last 4 more complex oxygenation equipments: U-tubes, jet platforms, Bicon, under-pressure reactors. Let's start with U-tube. They usually use oxygen and consist of double concentric pipes placed deep into the ground, with the inner pipe extremity forcing water to the bottom, then coming back into the larger pipe up to the surface and going into a reservoir. The U-tube exploits the enhanced dissolution of gas at high pressure to improve oxygen dissolution during transit, and is an efficient and low-cost application to dissolve oxygen. The U-tube can be made of concrete, steel, or PVC materials. Jet platforms. Jet platforms work with pure oxygen and can use both gravity or electric-driven energy. Usually, to achieve the best efficiency, they are custom-made. Large jet platforms using gravity are usually placed at the beginning of grow-out tanks and are made in concrete. For specific applications, jet platforms can also be made by stainless steel or fiberglass. Let's better understand how they work. A jet platform consists of a superior tank charged by gravity or pumping to raise the water, which is forced to fall through jets into the gas mixing chamber. For making oxygen enter the water, there is a need for an energy input from a waterfall or a pump. The required difference in level is around 75 centimeters. More is not necessary, lest the energy input will be too low. Water is passing through profiled holes producing jets. These jets drive bubbles into the water and ensure a good water and oxygen mix. The diameter and the depth of the cloud of bubbles produced by the jet depend on the water head and the diameter of the hole. The oxygen which is not dissolved will go out through a purging pipe. Proper dimensioning is necessary for optimizing energy consumption and dissolution rate. Bicon. The Bicon uses oxygen and is designed to maximize the contact time between oxygen and water to optimize the O2 dissolution. In the Bicon, the water is pumped at the top and collected at the bottom. So the inner part is small, and the base of the cone is very large to reduce the velocity of the water. The pressure is also playing an essential role in improving O2 dissolution. Under-pressure reactor. This kind of equipment is probably the most performant in terms of oxygen dissolution, but needs a large quantity of energy, thus needs to be well evaluated as a choice. Moreover, the mix of the newly oxygenated water with the water already present in the tank needs to be carefully achieved. This equipment consists of a cylinder with a perforated plate positioned around 30 centimeters under the top. The perforated plate works like a jet platform, creating a water shower below the plate where the gas is injected. The cylinder section is calculated to have a water velocity lower than the gas bubble speed that are going from the bottom to the top. After the reactor, the residual pressure allows the distribution of oxygenated water with pipes to the tanks. Aquamiks tips of this episode is: be careful in your choices. The right solution for one farm can be the opposite for another. Making this kind of decision in an informed and non-biased way is crucial to achieve good results. Thank you for being part of the Aquamiks community. Remember to subscribe, like and share this video to keep learning together.